Ladies and gentlemen, especially I am very honored and a privilege to have amidst us in Mawhati, one of the most remotest constituency in Meghalaya, the less developed and the largest in the state. So I am very happy that a great personality is standing and sitting beside me. That is none other than Shri B.L. Santosh ji. Give a big round of applause as a sign of welcoming. And also besides me, my elder brother, Dr. Sambit Patra. He's also, I used to see when I see live the telecast which they have done. But then now I see him in person, both of them, to give me the power to do for you. I remember I met B.L. Santosh ji, I think in September, in Nongpo. Just a while of hardly 3 to 5 minutes we could chat. But now he's coming by himself in Mawhati, which is a sign that there is a paradigm shift of change. It will come here. So, you want change, right? If you want change, BJP is the answer. We have the big leadership of the party comes here to see how it is happening here. Baik, bawan kenang gini hani hapo Mawhati titi baile. Kwa Dr.Everist Mawhati. Why we are so much left for the past 51 years? The road has been left without attending how many years? 35 years. Now repair is going to be started already, but just 1 month going to be for the election. This is the propaganda of the other parties. There's no comment so sarong dia bawan kini he bro pun. Dai mana mo? Finbud yang BJP. Okay boleh ben Kristen, dai nem. Boleh ben Kristen, see our elder brothers from the party, they will say something. Why people are accusing us about anti-Christian and fighting for Christian? I am a Christian. All of us are Christian. And in Meghalaya, so far nothing has been done like that. And our party doesn't believe in that. They believe in conservatism, neoliberalism, and the main important thing is integral humanity. See, any religion also do believe about humanity first. I remember when I studied Indian philosophy, Astika Darshana, all these things, it teaches me about we have to believe about the truth, about peace, about unity, all this. So the culmination of each and every one of us here, we should unite unity, and also religion is only a way of life. Forget politics is separately. BJP is not a religious party, okay? Kaseng BJP there is niam denem. Kadai kaseng sign berday. We have to become legislators. Then only we can legislate to develop our state, to develop our Mawhati, to develop our people here. Religion must go in their own way. It is a business way of life, which is deepening our spiritual journey of living and behaving. Rather, politics is the one who can decide us. Therefore, we need legislators from this particular part of the land of India. I have traveled I've studied in Bangalore, I've studied in Delhi, I've studied in Kerala, I've studied in Hyderabad. I live with my friends from Germany, from France, from Italy, also from Bangalore. I did not see anything, differences. Only thing is that I cannot speak Kannada, sir. Only Kannada Gatila I know. So, this is what? Rather, Solpa, yeah. So, but nilai pulai keleng negara India hadal hiru hadal ngamiu kata ketinggian perkan niam laka jong kata ke politics laka jong dainem. Politics is different entity and religion is different entity. See, we should not mix it together. Here, the other parties are really misleading us. Today, just we miss to pick both our highest dignitaries of the party. Unfortunately, they landed somewhere else where the other parties were having big rallies and programs. The moment I saw that, I heard that they are speaking against us. Two parties were doing there. Because in the place we got permission, it was full of dust, even though we have sprinkle water, but it was not enough. So that was unfortunate. But then, the moment our people, big people landed up there, now big confusion to that party. So now, BJP all the way through 1 year almost, we have been working day and night. They say BJP party is a big party, but the candidate is working more than us. We are afraid now. Now confusion in their minds now, not because of the helicopter. Now they see big faces coming to Meghalaya and coming to Mawhati. That is the heart of Mawhati. That is the village which our constituency also derived. So this is what. So I will conclude in this way. See, my motto is this: to serve, to retain or to conserve, and one more thing, to develop what we have. This is my motto. And then if you vote for BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. See, Bharatiya means India, no? It's the whole mainland of India, Bharat. It's not relating to Hindu or something like that. People, the moment you speak Bharat, that is a Hindu terminology. No. I studied Sanskrit as well. I understand. I know how the terminology speaks and the meaning of it, how it sounds and how it meant each and every letters or syllable. So now Janata is people of India, party. What about NPP? It is National People's Party, right? That is another version in English, correct? Kedai kumta ya? The Henrik Briggs tu bakla. The ngimantang ngimdan kaman kan kaya. Naku abanong ba ka religion, ka politics, hindi ba niya ilalaki Diyos. Tamba, politics without religion, it will be lame. Namar balay? Why? Because it will not go hand in hand. Good people need to be legislators to lead us. Correct? Kedai na? Orang sutulu dong? Te, ngasih tenat bah bakini armut kin sakren khamba shishu, kikwa banyo yang jing trestom jongki. Nasumu yang Mondal Presiden yang orang Bak Sunang Village Headman, Bak Leki Chalam, Nangta yang District Presiden Jungi, Bak Scam Sweat Sumpah Sariang, Nangta Bak Gagan Jane, Ubre Way na kibayara bagi betray, nak bentak parti Jungi nang Nena Silong, Nangta Ngidon ya Sir Jayanta Kumar, ibadai spokesperson na Assam, ibaw ni Arab yang ni, Sumpah I Tapti Iro, Nangta Bak Michael Fasbon Madur, the District Vice President. He is working day and night for Everest. People may speak something very bad about us. They are afraid BJP will win from Mawhati. Give them a big round of applause. Their hard work is really manifested today. Ladam trikam regine baro ngatrai. Pada kermen begini arut kinamuan. If you are not working hard and cooperating with me, our big people here will not come today. I am sure all other parties are shaking now. I am able to see and witness yesterday how people came to embrace, to love us, including John Barla. See, a Christian speaks in front of Christians. How people got captured, their mindsets, and their thinking is changing now. See, a Christian is going to become your MLA from Mawhati. That will be magic. Things will happen in the church as well as in Meghalaya and also in India. I remember when I was studying philosophy and theology, religion, I studied more than 32 religions of the world, including Hinduism. I don't find anything bad. I go to temples, I go to church, I go to mosque, I go to Gurudwara, anything. It depends on us, how you carry on with your life. This is what. Therefore, first you become good Christians, good Hindu, good Muslims, good Zoroastrian, all that. This is what, sir, I want to convey a message to you so that you will be able to address them. And Mawhati lacks development. We don't have even matriculation center. Imagine 51 years Meghalaya statehood. Now Mawhati is 45 years of its existence as a constituency. Road has been made only once. Now repair is going to come. And then electricity, that Subhagya scheme, 7 villages I went. Wire is already connected, no transformer. No transformer. Subhagya scheme, I think it is disappearing somewhere. JJM, yesterday I went to one village, Amjong, where we land the helicopter there. The villagers told like this. The pipes, JJM, which our Modi has given, it is already answered by NPP that they are the one who gives that scheme, MLA scheme. It is halfway the pipes are reaching not to the houses. And then Ayushman Bharat scheme, kanong iyo hane Ayushman Bharat scheme, tuka scheme smart card hane Meghalaya, health insurance, Rakti malayo smart card, Rakti. This is the schemes which our Prime Minister has given.
Which one is it?
Ayushman Bharat scheme, health insurance. Now Meghalaya in that mission 2023, they have given 10 lakhs from 5 lakhs. Baik, tentu ke scheme Ayushman Bharat menta, naka sanlak menta nilayo ano? 10 lakh. Ha kaneka? Ha ka ATP. Baru kisamla jungi kini kibanang bastad hane. Kanolak niyo 3.5 lakhs. Kamu lailak sitengin sayo naka benta kitu kisamla educated youth who are unemployed. Kibaklan kam klem jam hangne baro dainem. Pin sayo menta ha ka manifesto jungi ngilane pelai gitu. Vote for Everest if you want to see change. Vote for Everest, vote for BJP. BJP is a double engine government. That's why I choose this party. Otherwise, you don't vote for BJP, you will regret again. You will curse the people for like what you have done in the past 5 years. Rather, now see, PM Kisan. Kanongon mo yung PM Kisan Rakti. PM Kisan Rakti. All of you raise your hand. Those who get PM Kisan here. PM Kisan, raise your hands. Tangkan engut. Menta naga and Rio Jargin siyo prajar. Give a big round of applause. Kine kilong kami kilong kapa. Kamtam gitu gibala. Du yaw lo. Widows. Karena pinyo haka manifesto jo ke BJP menta no Meghalaya. We will get 24,000 per widows. Ay din hakti baro gini kilong kami gibala dep. Ya ulok, bat kibala padlock rope in sayo gini. Tambah habdon certificate mo. Kata ngamun banong MP. Tenang ka, ka PM Awas Yojana. Rakti, how many of you have got PM Awas Yojana? Rakti, kibayo ay yung beduk. Rakti. How many? Yung beduk. You should be grateful to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP government at Central. Even though it is not available in Meghalaya, only 1 or 2 MLA we have now. But still, this scheme has reaches to each and every corner, even to this part of Mawhati. So you should be very grateful. As Christians, we must thank our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay? The kaying beduk mentangin sayo naga how many lakhs? 1,30,000, right? Now all the families, now I should 100% Bangin ayya kiying isang budok nang taga-Jal Jivan Mission, every family now 100% only guaranteed in the manifesto of BJP Meghalaya. I think tapri. Nang ta free education sabha from KG till master degree, MSc, MSW, MCom, whatever you want to study for girl child. Kada der gejikku, I think tapri balai biya angon net. This is what. This is the power of Narendra Modi and our good leaderships who want to work for development. But the BJP is not anti-Christian. It is very, very much pro-development, government and party. That's why all parties are throwing stone at us. Correct or not? Kaparti BJP, de ka sarkar, na kaparti ka patray na ka banta ka roy ka par development. Dahil na tagadaw kiway ki kawakti yang iparo. Dahil na. Haba, we want to work for development. That's why people are afraid. They cannot put in their pockets. Correct or not? Kimyo sebentar bapla jam kita. Dahil na tagadaw ki kawakti yang iparo dah katay katay. Dahil na ito ngim ko abot le banta. Si BJP first, it will serve the nation. First nation, and then party and self, me as your leader and servant, it will be last. This is what our great leaders are doing. See, our founders of the party, they have great vision for India, so that we should go hand in hand like what in other parts of the world which are so much developed. India also now, it is already ranking 5th number. One of the great power is going to come and the economy of the country is going. So now Mawhati needs to go hand in hand with other states. 19 states in India, the BJP party is going to roll and already ruling. And Meghalaya from Northeast is the one who is still lagging behind. But this time I hope from Mawhati, you will give one candidate who will win from Riboy and also for the state, adding to the BJP party. I think we can be in the government to bring all these developmental schemes which I have explained to you. So many schemes, I don't want to speak much because our big people are here. Let them speak, let them advise better than me. I am just a person who joined the party just 1 year ago. But I see the change, the passion the people has got, and they have trusted in the leadership of Modi ji and in the leadership of our party in the central as well as in the state. And especially in Mawhati, with the help of our leaders, they have faith and trust in me. I will do my best to save our nation, to save our state, and to save my people here in Mawhati. We will do for your development. We will do for the dreams of your children. No schools, no college here, no proper roads, no proper healthcare infrastructure. See, this is the dream which we need to realize through BJP. If you give me the chance, I will be an agent of change, because BJP is always for change and development. So Congress has ruled here more than 36 years in Assam and 16 years in Meghalaya. The border of Assam and Meghalaya, they are always in tears. Therefore, I request our big leaders here to think about this. We need mutual understanding between Meghalaya and Assam from our same party, so that we will work for peace, unity, and development. All of you, I think you are coming from far away and near. But when you go back, carry the message which our leaders will give you today. I don't want to speak more again. I will conclude in this way. Today, in the words of Narendra Modi, I would like to quote. Today, a poor person is standing in front of you. And this is the power of democracy. Hakmat jopi yang mentagasngi kumway na kikun badub Henry kanere kapor jong ritis ni sharpai ba lane democracy. The hapo kaparti BJP ka ailat kibri kiberit. I would like to highlight this way. So I think BJP is the only party who gives chances to small people like me, and also to any other people in the party now who becomes like President of India. May I know who is the present President of India now? Draupadi Murmu. She's a tribal lady, correct? Everest also is a tribal lady. Oh boy. Kaparti BJP kira kebai kipri kiberit. They will go up. Kipri kiberit kikiu sukmas. This happens only in BJP party, not in Congress, not in NPP, who are bluffing here, correct or not, and misleading our people. But BJP, kadai ka parti ba na barit ka starter, ka tribate nam ka development, nam ta jigsu, nam ta roy ka par, kata. Te tangkum ta hai tarai ka labiang. Te thank you so much for coming and blessing me. Please, when you go home, carry the message to vote, and please update the apps which we have given to you. Please enroll as much as possible today itself before we end. And I am sure now everywhere in Mawhati, BJP is going to lead this time. Is going to lead. BJP will win from Mawhati. There is no doubt. Other parties are afraid of us now. They are blaming us many things, but their blame and their cursing will be a blessing in disguise on the 2nd. And on the 27th, I request you to vote for BJP, vote for Everist Marsing, and vote for Modi ji, vote for the party. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. One of you, may God bless you, and your blessings and your visit will be a great change for all of us in our minds, and also the spirit that you are going to ignite us today. It will go to many miles from here. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.